Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with the third chapter of your book Honeycomb, and the name of the chapter is Gopal and the Hilsa fish. So, before you read the chapter, let us let me ask you a question. Have you ever read a comic book? I can see no. Manya is saying no. She has not read a comic book. When we were young, this was one of the sources of entertainment for the students or for the children. They used to read comic books. You might have heard about Chacha Chaudhary and Sabu, right? In newspaper also, sometimes you see that there are comic scripts. So this was just one of the ways for students or children to entertain themselves. So this chapter here is in the form of comic, where the scenes are presented through pictures, right? It makes easy for the students to understand the concept. So the name of the chapter is Gopal and the Hilsa fish. As the name tells, it means it is a story of a person whose name is Gopal and a Hilsa fish. It is a kind of a fish which people eat, and that's quite costly fish. So let us start the chapter. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish, as it is a seasonal fish. So it was season for Hilsa fish, and everyone, fishermen, could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Means they only brought Hilsa fish to the market. They did not think of any other type of fish, but only Hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. जो fishmonger is the one who sells fish. So fishmongers क्या sell करते थे? Only Hilsa fish. Come by. The price of Hilsa is down today. So to lure the people, उनको अपनी तरफ attract करने के लिए कि वो fish buy करें, they said that the price of Hilsa fish is less today, so come and buy that fish. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. So this is the scene of the market where everyone is talking about Hilsa fish. Now this scene which you are seeing where householders are talked about, वहाँ पे भी discussion is going on only about Hilsa fish. And this there is a conversation. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? एक person पूछ रहा है कितने पैसे पे किए तुमने इस Hilsa fish के लिए? You wouldn't believe if I told you. तो what the other person is saying कि अगर मैं तुम्हें बताऊं कि मैंने क्या प्राइस दिया है तुम विश्वास नहीं करोगे. It means he has bought that fish for very less price. बहुत cheap rate पे उसको वो Hilsa fish मिल गई. Now this is the scene of court. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. और कोर्ट में भी जो courtiers थे, courtiers means the people related to court. तो जो courtiers थे, they were also discussing about Hilsa fish only. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was one of the courtiers says to the king, Your Majesty, Majesty is the title given out of respect. So king को दिया गया है ये title. So you should have seen. आप देखते मैं कितनी बड़ी Hilsa fish पकड़ के लाया हूँ. This is the scene of a court where a courtier is telling the king about Hilsa fish. Now what is the reaction of the king? He says, stop it. बंद करो ये सब. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? क्या तुम courtier हो या फिर एक fisherman हो जो मछलियाँ पकड़ता है? The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. Fell silent means kept quiet. एकदम चुप हो गया with downcast eyes. Downcast eyes means झुकी हुई नजरें. Means उस courtier ने एकदम नजरें झुका ली और वो चुप हो गया. The king felt guilty. उसके बाद king जो था he himself felt ashamed because he spoke in a very rude manner with his courtier. I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish, and no one. So the king regrets for his behavior with the courtier. He says that he feels sorry because he lost his temper. उसे बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ गया क्योंकि ये Hilsa fish का season है and everyone is talking about Hilsa fish only. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. अब किंग कहता है कि even Gopal was considered one of the wisest courtiers in his court. Sorry. तो किंग कहता है कि गोपाल भी किसी को हिल्सा फिश के बारे में बात करने से नहीं रोक सकता. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty, but गोपाल कहता है नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि मैं रोक सकता हूँ. Then let me see you buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. And फिर उसके बाद जब किंग ये सुनता है कि गोपाल इज कॉन्फिडेंट दैट ही कुड स्टॉप पीपल फ्रॉम टॉकिंग अबाउट हिल्सा फिश, द किंग थ्रोज अ चैलेंज. वो कहता है कि ओके, एक बड़ी सारी हिल्सा फिश मार्केट से खरीद के पैलेस लेके आओ, एंड ऑन योर वे नो वन शुड टॉक टू यू अबाउट अ हिल्सा फिश. एक भी वर्ड कोई तुमसे हिल्सा फिश के बारे में ना पूछे. आई एक्सेप्ट योर चैलेंज, Your Majesty. Gopal is happy. He says that he accepts the challenge of the king. Then what he does a few days later, कुछ दिनों के बाद, why is your face half shaven? Gopal's wife asks Gopal कि तुमने अपने face दाढ़ी आधी क्यों बनाई है? Why is your face half shaven? I am dressing up to buy a fish. What was the reply of Gopal? He tells his wife that he was going to buy a हिल्सा फिश. What's the matter with you? तुम्हारे साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Why are you smearing yourself with ashes? Smear means to put. क्या बात होगी तुम अपने फेस पे ashes, ashes means राख, क्यों लगा रहे हो? I told you I am dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. मैंने तुम्हें बताया कि मैं एक हिल्सा फिश खरीदने जा रहा हूँ. Then it is, listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? So wife जो है, she is quite surprised with the strange behavior of Gopal, और वो उसे कहती है कि तुम ऐसे, मेरी बात सुनो, तुम ऐसे संभवतः बिल्कुल बाहर नहीं जा सकते इन डिस्ग्रेसफुल फटे पुराने कपड़ों में. What are you up to? तुम करना क्या चाहते हो? How many times must I tell you women, I am out to buy a huge hilsa fish. मैं तुम्हें कितनी बार बताऊं कि मैं हिल्सा फिश खरीदने के लिए जा रहा हूं. It has happened to him. He has gone mad. उसे कुछ हो गया है. Now वो all right. So when Gopal dresses disgracefully and moves out of his house, where does he go? He goes to market to buy huge hilsa fish. Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Now king challenged him. So after a few days of challenge, he went to the market, he bought a huge hilsa fish and he started walking towards the palace. Now there are people in the market. This is a scene of a market from where Gopal is. Gopal has bought hilsa fish. Now there are people around. What is their observation about Gopal is written in the bubbles. Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? मदर, उस मैन की तरफ देखो, क्या वो तुम्हें कॉमिकल नहीं लग रहा? कॉमिकल मीन्स फनी. तो कुछ लोगों ने उसकी अपीयरेंस को देख के कहा कि दैट ही इज क्वाइट फनी. ही मस्ट बी अ मैड मैन. कुछ ने सोचा कि वो एक मैड मैन है. आई थिंक ही इज अ मिस्टिक. कुछ लोग कहते हैं नहीं, चुप करो, ऐसा मत बोलो, हो सकता है कि वो कोई, मुझे लगता है कि वो कोई एक मिस्टिक है. मिस्टिक मीन्स वेरी मिस्टीरियस पर्सन, स्ट्रेंज, होली मैन. When Gopal reached the court, what happens? The soldiers, they don't recognize him. What do you want? They ask Gopal, what do you want? And Gopal says that he wants to meet the king. I want to see the king. To see here is to meet. I want to meet the king. Now the soldiers, they don't recognize Gopal, so they don't allow him to enter into the palace. You can't see the king. Get away with you. Get away with you मतलब चले जाओ यहाँ से. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Gopal ने डांस करना और गाना गाना शुरू कर दिया. जोर जोर से गाना गाना शुरू कर दिया. Now what is the reaction in the palace when they hear Gopal singing